today. I'm really excited because Mix Easy allowed me to actually customize my own skincare products. I have a face cleanser, a mask, and a scrub that I myself customize all of the ingredients that are in here, which is really cool. This is great because you're able to cherry pick which ingredients you would like in your skincare products, so you can tailor it to you. So Mix Easy doesn't use any parabens, silicone, colorants, mineral oils, dyes, sulfates, or anything like that, so you know it's safe to use on your face. And Mix Easy is vegan and cruelty free. So like I was saying, this time I ordered 3 things. I have a face cleanser, a face scrub, and I have a face mask. Okay, I'm really excited to try this out, so let's just go ahead and start. So my main focus for my face cleanser was to minimize pores, even out my skin texture, and to soften my skin. So I chose ingredients that pertain to that. You also have the option to choose a fragrance to go along with the products that you're using, but I just decided not to go with the fragrance because I love perfumes and scented lotions and I just don't want to be clashing everywhere. So I just decided to go fragrance free with all of my products that I ordered today. To wash my face, I'm going to be using this D.I.Y spin brush. It actually comes with 5 different brush heads, a cleansing brush. It also comes with this pumice applicator, a polish accessory, with an exfoliating brush, and a brush to use for your body. This body brush would be perfect to use if you have a exfoliant. I got this body scrub from Essential Oil Labs. This is the matcha green tea body scrub, so I could definitely use my body spin brush with this. Okay, the moment I have been waiting for. Okay, first let me move my bangs out of my face. Never used a spin brush ever, and now I see what the hype is about. I feel like this is really cleansing my skin better than my hands ever could, so I'm definitely going to be adding this to my skincare routine. Okay, so after cleansing, I feel like scrubbing would be next, so I'm going to use my face scrub. For my face scrub, I really wanted to focus on something that would brighten, correct acne scars, and hydration. The consistency of this scrub is really thick, which I like. So I really want to focus this on my nose because I noticed that most of my whiteheads are on my nose and just around this area. Y'all, I love these products so far. It's definitely exfoliating my skin really well, but it's not too harsh, which is a problem for me because my skin is very sensitive. It gets the job done as far as exfoliating without feeling like it's tearing into my skin because my face especially is very sensitive. Okay. Okay, y'all, I feel refreshed. Now we're going to be using my face mask. So for my mask, I really wanted to focus on ingredients that will give me a dewy, luminous glow and soften my skin. I'm applying this stuff so ugly. I'm just having fun. feels so nice and cooling. Very moisturizing. It actually has the consistency of a moisturizer. Okay, now that my mask is on, I'm gonna wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before washing it off. Alright y'all, so it's been about 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes since I put on this face mask, and as you can see, it has basically seeped into my skin already, and it looks like I have on a serum. It really feels moisturized, so I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. So all of the products is washed off of my face, and my skin feels so good, y'all. That is all for my trying out new products video. I'm really pleased with everything that I showed you guys today. If you would like to customize your own skincare products, then head over to Mix Easy and you can use my coupon code TyKara for 15% off of your purchase. I really recommend that y'all try the Spin Brush by D.I.Y. You can use my code TyKara for 70% off of your purchase. 70% off of your purchase. I'll have all of the links down below in the description box. Check out Essential Oil Labs for any body washes, body scrubs, or essential oils that you can order. You guys know that I use rosemary essential oil for my hair, so check out their website, and you can also use my code TyKara15 for 15% off of your purchase. All of my coupon codes will be linked down below in the description box for y'all to check out. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.